Antoi topic ani forms of if. This all are if condition if a condition is halla. But how can we rearrange them to haidirawa? Okay. Form number era. If this condition is true, do this. That's one condition. No. Haini luila. Chimmanang di alo hai tau dawa luila. Chimmakanang di kawa tau do tomok tau. Nothing described. No. Now bira. If condition ni chimmanang di we do this. Okay. Aro kini kau. This al hafet manas no. Thagre ani kau chimmanang di we are doing just one thing. Okay. One line of instruction hai di ka kani chimmanang di form A ra hai di ka execute dio. Form B ra ni kau chimmanang ni lau hat tau do le no. A ra ki chimmanang lau hat tau do le but lau hai se hadik chatrin la ai tau dio ase no. Lalan di kau khtam to. B ra ki chimmanang lau tau do le lalan kau khtam to but B ra ni chimmanang tau dio lau hai it's more than one line. Okay. That's why two or more lines we should enclose them within a pair of braces. Okay, remind it. Okay, can open bracket close lang makanang so just one line di kaisi code execute lo cha ko ki condition hingdos no. So remember that if multiple lines are to be executed either in the true condition or in the false condition, they should be enclosed within a pair of braces. No. Now, sirani chimmanang di single nang low hat tau yer dawa lala nang ki low hat tau yer da. No. So both cannot be simultaneous. No. Chimmanang ki low low tau do lala nang ka low tau to ni maka. Nay condition hai ni chimmanang di low tau do wa condition ni lalo nang ni else part ri low tau diwa. Okay. Dira ni sile di ki chap manas no but aroni chimmanang ki multiple lines lalanang ki multiple lines ira ni ko si ira aro nested yaura to ne ira ni ko chimmanang ni condition at laira hai condition ni chimmanang ni we again check for another condition to ne this is nested if else and where it is nested I nested to akori to nang ni if block to ase if block hai nested tawa to kai first it to khoi ni else block re nested tawa. Okay, so ira ni ko chimmanang ni condition ni chimmanang di we check for another condition no and do the one single thing. Okay, and else lalanang ni we do another single thing. Okay, no this multiple lines no lalanang ni ara kita do low multiple lines are tau do len to no but aro kai isu ni di ni chimmanang ni tau dio hai single line ne yo multiple line ne to hai di ka mata sa na nai ma just ne requirement hai matungel ni multiple lines we nang di either true condition ramumak false condition ramumak just enclose them within open bracket and close bracket. That's all. Okay, so E form are of the equation so nested if else I hing or now and that nesting in the if block. Okay, are else part ra ni if yong le ko yong mag le ninga and le la to ne and say this else the who else the to second if so second if I else to ne no second if I else ni are lui la to ne. Okay, are ni to gare first if ase hai else ni are yong adi raw no that's why first if hai wari lui wong nang second if second another if else wari had hingsang to ne hai dira tu kai ting ko de type re kai nested to ko ya yo to kai ta ko khuso bigger ball hai drill another smaller ball hat lai to ne no first ball tang ball hai drill another chamana ball hat drill lai to ne no that means this if else is inside the this outer if else to ne. Okay, hai dira nested I meaning condition hai ni manang di do this line else lala nang di we go for another checking adi tu kai thuyo go program so this is also a nested if else where we nest another if else in the else block. Okay, or else block hai kai nested to ne lawas no form chuktam I rearrange to ne design hai dira. So in the next lecture kani different forms I ko to use to hai program no fit kan thim manasi